Hey, guys! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube video. Tip number 1. Use high-quality images. Make sure your images are clear and easy to see. Avoid using blurry or low-quality images. Tip number 2. Use bold and contrasting colors. Use colors that stand out and catch people's attention. For example, if your video is about money, use green and gold colors. Use the right angle tool to make 3 more boxes, and then add text to those new boxes. Tip number 3. Keep it simple. Don't clutter your thumbnail with too many images or text. Keep it simple and clean. Tip number 4. Add text to your thumbnail. Use text to highlight the main point of your video. Keep it short and to the point. Adding text to your thumbnail is another great way to make it more effective. You suggested using text to highlight the main point of your video, keeping it short and to the point. This can help viewers understand what your video is about and make them more likely to click on it. If you found my video on creating effective thumbnails helpful, then I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. By subscribing, you will be notified of future videos I create on this topic, where I will continue to share tips and tricks for making compelling thumbnails that attract viewers. Overall, having a good thumbnail is essential for getting more views on your videos. By following the tips you shared in your video, YouTubers can create effective thumbnails that will attract viewers and help their content stand out on the platform.